Hello viewers, hope you all are alright. Before to start the video, I ask to you that firstly subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. It may cause notification of my new videos in your mobile. Coming back to our video, this video is about secret group of US military trains has been in Taiwan for at least a year. The US has been secretly maintaining a small contingent of military trainers in Taiwan for at least a year, according to a new report. The latest sign of the rising stakes in US China rivalry, about 2 dozen US Special Forces soldiers and an unspecified number of Marines are now training Taiwan's forces, the Wall Street Journal reported on Tuesday. The trainers were first sent to Taiwan by the Trump administration, but their presence had not been reported until now. The report came as President Tsai Ing-wen said on Friday that Taiwan will do whatever it takes to defend its freedom and democratic way of life. Taiwan does not seek military confirmation, she told a security forum in Taipei. It hopes for a peaceful, stable, predictable, and mutually beneficial coexistence with its neighbor. But Taiwan will also do whatever it takes to defend its freedom and democratic way of life. US troops have not been permanently based on the island since 1979 when Washington established diplomatic relations with the People's Republic of China. A Pentagon spokesman, John Sample, would not comment directly on the report but noted that our support for and defense relationship with Taiwan remains elegant against the current threat from China. It is an important step, but it's intended primarily not to be provocative but actually improve the defense capability of Taiwan's forces, said Jacob Stroke, a fellow of the Indo Pacific Security Program of the Center of a New American Security. There's always this balance between symbolism and substance, and I think by doing it quietly, it's meant to be more substance. The presence of US Marines riders in Taiwan has been previously reported and was later confirmed by the Taiwan Navy Command as a routine Taiwan US military exchange and corporation training. According to US defense media and local outlets, US officials said the November 2020 report were inaccurate but did not elaborate. China Foreign Ministry issued a statement urging the US to stop military aid to Taiwan. China will take all necessary steps to protect its sovereignty and territorial integrity, the statement said. Hawkish state media outlet The Global on Friday that China's State Council strongly opposed any form of military coalition between Taiwan and the United States. We urge the US to abide three communiques on the Taiwan issue and stop any provocation. The DPP authorities work with external forces to seek independence and reject reunification. This has led the people of Taiwan to disaster and their attempts are bound to fail. Okay viewers, this is the latest news which was I talking about. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. It may cause notification of my new videos in your mobile. Okay viewers, be safe in your homes and take care of all your family members. I will come back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.